how to use Google Classroom. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use Google Classroom. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser of your choice. I will be going with Google Chrome. Now once you are inside the Chrome or any web browser, if you have opened Google Chrome, you can simply click onto the Google Apps option just over the left hand side of your profile picture. Click here and then scroll down the apps and you will see Classroom. So simply click onto this Classroom option and it will lead you to the Google Classroom. Now from here you can easily navigate as you want, or also if you are using any other web browser, simply search for Google and then Classroom. Once you will search, hit the enter button and you will see this option that says Google for Education. If you don't see the Google Classroom here, you can simply scroll down and download the app as well. So from here, go to Classroom Management Tools and Resources, and now you can click onto this Sign into Classroom option in order to get to the same page as before. Then you can click onto this Got It option and you can join or create a class as per your pleasing. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.